This is a product overview on the Reckless Classic Batwing Fairing for the Heritage Softail Classic. You can find this fairing at accessoryinternational.com. This is the Reckless Classic Batwing Fairing made for the Harley Heritage Softail models. This batwing fairing is made in the United States with a two-piece hand-laid fiberglass construction, making it easy to open the fairing to periodically service the electronics. The fairing comes with your choice of speakers, which range from either two 6.5-inch speakers, two 6x9 as we have in this fairing, or four speakers, which are two 5.25-inch with two 6.5-inch speakers paired together. The fairing also includes your choice of stereo system, which ranges from the Rockford Fosgate PMX 1, 2, or 3 stereos, or the Infinity R3000 stereos. All of these stereo systems offer your standard features including Bluetooth, AM/FM radio, USB slots to hook up your phone, a 12-volt power outlet, and all of these stereos have 200 watts of amplification. A 400-watt 4-channel Rockford Fosgate amplifier can also be pre-installed inside of the fairing to give your fairing much more sound. The real difference between the head units that we offer are either the color screen display in the PMX2 or the satellite radio capabilities in the PMX3. You can read more about the details at our website online. We also offer a Rockford Fosgate handlebar remote control to control the Bluetooth audio settings directly from the remote without having to move your hands to the radio. The Reckless fairing includes a 5-inch or 10-inch windshield in clear or smoked, or you can opt to buy one of the Clockworks windshields like you can see on this fairing, which offers a big curve for additional wind protection. All mounting hardware is included needed to mount the fairing directly to the motorcycle, and it features a quick release mechanism just like the original windshield does. The fairing is made in the USA and offers a 5-year warranty on the fiberglass construction and a 1-year warranty on the electronics. We'll now do a sound check so you can get an idea of what the fairing sounds like. This fairing does feature a 400-watt amplifier and the two 6x9-inch speakers and can be heard easily at highway speeds. Keep in mind that this Heritage features a 114 engine and has a Reinhardt system on it, and the music is easily playing over the exhaust. The stereo system really captures the highs of the music, but also does a good job capturing the lows to really give you a full experience of the songs you're listening to. You can find this Reckless Batwing Fairing for the Heritage Softail at accessoryinternational.com. If you have any questions, call us at 786-242-5400. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching our video today. My name is Alex at Accessories International out of Miami, Florida. Give us a call for any questions, and thanks for tuning in.